If your window hardware is loose on the frames, it can cause drafts, rattling noises, and even security problems, so fixing it fast is a must. You basically want to start by checking all the screws holding the hardware in place, because sometimes they just get loose over time, you know? Grab a screwdriver and tighten them up, but don't go crazy or strip the screws. If you notice any screws are missing, replace them with ones that fit perfectly to keep everything secure. Sometimes the hardware itself might be worn out or broken, so swapping out old handles or locks can make a huge difference. Also, give the frames a quick look to make sure they're not damaged or warped, since that can mess with how the hardware sits. If your windows keep moving or rattling after tightening screws and replacing hardware, you might want to check for worn-out weather stripping and replace that too to stop drafts. Remember to use rust-resistant screws and hardware if your windows are exposed to a lot of moisture. Keeping this stuff in good shape will save you from bigger headaches down the line, trust me. One of the biggest mistakes with loose window hardware is ignoring the problem until it gets way worse, which can lead to water leaks and higher energy bills. The fix is simple. Regularly inspect and tighten screws every few months. Another common issue is using the wrong size screws, which don't hold the hardware properly. Always use screws that match the original size or are recommended for your window type. A third problem is overlooking damaged frames that don't hold hardware well. If you spot cracks or rot, it's best to repair or replace those parts before putting on new hardware to avoid repeated loosening. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to fix window issues and much more. If you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with people looking for skilled pros in their area and grow your business.